How to study in Europe on a scholarship without IELTS. Do you dream of studying in Europe on a scholarship but don't want to take the IELTS exam? Well, don't worry, because you can surely study in Europe on a scholarship without having to take the IELTS exam. Here is how you can study in Europe without IELTS. Studying in Europe offers a wealth of opportunities for international students, from top-tier educational institutes to vibrant cultural experiences. One of the most common barriers, however, is the requirement of the IELTS exam. While many European universities do require IELTS scores as a proof of English proficiency, there are several pathways to bypass this requirement and still secure a scholarship. Here is how you can study in Europe on a scholarship without IELTS. Understanding the landscape. Why do universities require IELTS? IELTS is often required to ensure that the international students can understand and participate in coursework conducted in English. However, many universities that proficiency can be demonstrated through the other means, alternative to IELTS. PTE academic and Cambridge English exams are widely accepted alternatives. If you have completed prior education in an English-speaking country or at an institute where the medium of instruction was English, you might be exempt from taking the IELTS exam. Some universities also conduct interviews or proficiency tests. Scholarships available in Europe. Europe is home to numerous scholarships aimed at attracting international talent. Here are some notable ones that do not always require IELTS. Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Degrees. Erasmus Mundus is a prestigious scholarship program funded by the European Union. Many programs in the Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Degrees do not require IELTS if you can provide an alternative proof of English proficiency. DART Scholarships. Germany's DART scholarships are available for a wide range of postgraduate courses. German universities often accept other forms of English proficiency proof, such as previous education in English. Italian government universities. The Italian government universities offers scholarships for both undergraduate and postgraduate studies. Many Italian universities also accept alternative English proficiency proof, especially if your previous education was in English. Sweden Institute scholarships. Sweden offers scholarships through the Swedish Institute for Global Professionals. Many Swedish universities accept other certifications or conduct their language assessments. Countries and universities with flexible language requirements. Germany. German universities, especially those offering programs in English, often have flexible language requirements. Many universities accept other proofs of proficiency in English. Norway. Norwegian universities are also known for their high academic standards and free education. Institutes like the University of Oslo might waive IELTS if you provide other proof of English proficiency. Italy. Italian universities also often accept students without IELTS if they can demonstrate their English proficiency through other means. In France, institutes like Sciences Po offer programs in English and also might accept other forms of proficiency evidence. The French government also provides scholarships that support studies in English. What are the steps to apply for scholarships without IELTS? Research and shortlist universities. Students must identify universities and programs that do not mandate IELTS. Check their specific language requirements and accepted alternatives. Prepare alternative proof of proficiency. Students must provide transcripts and certificates from previous institutions where English was the medium of instruction. Obtain letters from previous universities or employers confirming your proficiency in English. Submit scores from other recognized English tests such as PTE. What is the application process? Students must ensure they have all the necessary documents, including academic transcripts, proof of proficiency, recommendation letters, and a well-crafted personal statement. These apply directly to the scholarship programs and universities. Make sure to read the deadlines and specific application guidelines. attending interviews or online tests. Some universities may conduct interviews or online tests to assess your English proficiency. Prepare thoroughly for these assessments. Financial planning. While scholarships often cover tuition and living expenses, ensure you understand the financial commitments and plan accordingly. What are the tips for success? Scholarship deadlines can be well in advance of the academic year, so begin your research and application process early. Connect with the alumni or current students from your target universities to get insights and tips. Whether it's an interview or an alternative test, prepare thoroughly to demonstrate your English proficiency. Keep track of application deadlines and required documents and follow up on your applications. Studying in Europe on a scholarship without IELTS is not only possible but also increasingly common. By exploring universities with flexible language requirements, preparing alternative proofs of English proficiency, and planning your application, you can surely achieve your dream of studying in Europe. Remember, perseverance and thorough preparation are key to unlocking these opportunities. Best of luck.